Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Today's video is just a simple bloom. You know I love doing blooms. This is Glidden Premium House Paint. Works pretty good for me, I like it. Glidden Essentials works too. It's very much thinner than the premium, but you can leave it open for a day or so and let it thicken up a little bit. All right, this is a wooden 6x6 canvas. I like to just spread it a bit. It helps it flow to the edges. All right, so today I'm going to use some red and turquoise and a little bit of gold and a little bit of this little piggy macaw. It's a interference color. It's like a greenish, pinkish. Well, it's really pretty. So, all right, I'm gonna put down some, this is golden teal. And now I've got some red, some gold. What should I put next? I think I'll put some red. This is Winsor & Newton Crimson. Very brilliant red, really pretty. Very pretty red. And now, see, I have macaw, I have sea glass. Which one should I put next? And I have some, oh, gold. I think I'll put the macaw next. And then a little bit of sea glass. And then some gold. Oh, this has gone thick on me. That's probably enough of that anyway. This is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. Okay. I think I might use white and black cell activator today, ladies and gentlemen. And if you see, I did quite a big puddle, but if you make your puddle smaller, then less will come off. And sometimes it's hard to do. I find it anyway. So all these colors are mixed with my pouring medium, which is in the under my video. There's a description with my recipes. My pouring medium is untinted house paint and varnish. Let me just give this a little torch. All right. A little bit of white. And don't forget, the bloom technique, if you're just starting pouring, is not a beginner technique. It takes getting used to all the different other techniques are better to try first, so you get used to the pouring part and the consistency. All right. Use my world's smallest blower that I got from Amazon. Look at it, it's full of paint. Oh, wow. This part right here is so pretty. And when this is plain like that, it just means you didn't get enough of this to blow over top of the colors, so you get your cells going. So many layers of things you need to know before you can get this right. It takes a while, but once you do, boy, it's addicting. With it, you get white rings around the cells. So I'm letting the middle come back. When you put the colors on, it also pushes the white paint out too. So just seeing if sometimes the black, when it concaves like that, it gets stuck a little bit. So I'm just trying to move it to see if it'll unstick. I'm going to do my swirls. Seems to be stuck right there. No, I think I'll give it a spin. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at this. Wow. It's almost ready. It's not, I'd like to wait until it's not moving much. Trying to help the sides get. It's harder with this kind of a canvas because it's a deeper side, so to get all this paint down the sides, I probably would have needed a little more paint, but it's getting there. That's not too bad. Just touching it with my finger and load it with my finger and then just touch it, and it seems to be okay. It is what it is. I'll give it one more spin. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I think it's good. Not moving hardly at all now. Thanks for watching this video. And yeah, come back for some more. I have quite a few videos on my channel, Carol's Art Room. So take your pick. And there's some tutorials also. And I think the links are in my description under my video. I'll put the dried result at the end. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried modified bloom. I love these turquoise cells in the middle. Look at that. Goes really nice with the reds and the gold. Dried really smooth and good. There you go. That's awesomeness. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.